Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Not bored anymore. So because we're not bored anymore, there's a lot of creativity and there's a lot of ideas that we're missing out on. Because the mind doesn't have the chance to wander, which is where many of these great ideas come from. Is the mind just sitting there thinking.
You're super in sync with everything I write about, frankly, in the book. Because, yes, let's go back to that term.
They're coming. Oh, shit. They hit.
Whoa! Woo! Hi. Oh, jeez. Woo!
Aggrandize and consolidate power for only one particular demographic and to keep everybody else in a kind of lower caste state. And then you want to call that particular demographic and to keep everybody else in a kind of lower caste state. And then you want to call that equal with liberty and justice. You really have to kind of rethink whether this is a good society.
Lovely.
Pulled out in front of me, slowly. You up. You up. I didn't up. Yeah, no shit. Why the would you try to blame it on me if you just up that bad? You pulled out. I didn't do anything. Are you alright though? No, I hit my head. I was driving straight. was in my lane, and you turned into me. You need to own that. I don't want to hear again that it was my fault. Not one more time do I want to hear it was even remotely my fault. 100% your fault, and I'm calling the cops because you're giving me all lip about it. Totaled my car.
Me too. Hey, so I've got a dash cam. I got that on camera. Do you want my contact info?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I freaked out.
I understand.
When I got out, you were supposed to be like, I'm sorry I hit you, not, why aren't you slowing down? How is I going fast? How is moving? There's no way to go fast here. It's impossible. I was just driving down the street. You turned into me. Okay.
I'm sorry.
The thing is, I get hit all the time.
Really?
This is my 5th time getting hit in this street.
Oh shit!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Oh, stop. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.